Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Blap token, the based Blap token. Now this token is on the base chain, Coinbase's blockchain, the ultimate hybrid. Now if you look at the picture in the thumbnail here, this is a hybrid of the Boys Club characters, the Matt Furie cartoon. And we're going to go over the Blap token, talk about how you can get it and the info on it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Blap token. Name of the token is BLAP, and that is also the ticker symbol. You can find this token on BaseScan. You can find it on DEX Tools, DEX Screener if you're looking for the charts and the price and all the statistics. Now, there's 18 decimal places on this token. There is a max total supply of 100 billion Blap tokens. And right now they have 40,415 holders. That is a lot of holders. They've had 63,126 total transfers. And if you are looking to get this token here, it is available on Uniswap. So first of all, you would need a wallet that could store base tokens. So you could use a Coinbase wallet would be fitting, but you could also use a Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. Now you could fund your wallet with ETH and then bridge it to Base, or you could fund your wallet directly with Base from a central exchange. So you could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC, fund your wallet with Base from a central exchange. There is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. Now, once you funded your wallet with Base, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then using the contract address, you could find on their webpage basedblap.com, which is listed right there on that Twitter, at basedblap on X, or you could use the contract address that's right in their pinned tweet right there as well. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You would trade your Base for the Blap token using that address. Now, as far as slippage goes, it says there is 0% buy and sell tax, so you don't have to worry about slippage. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off Uniswap. If you go to the webpage, there is a Buy Now button that'll take you to Uniswap. You can connect your wallet that way. And then if you get stuck, they do have a How to Buy section on their webpage that you could follow as well. Now, you can follow their Telegram at Based Blap Portal that has 87 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. So yeah, you can see one half of the face is Brett, the other half is Andy. Then there's a green hand, which is Pepe's hand. Looks like there's hair coming off, which is Land Wolf. And yeah, so it's like a combination, and there's a little bit of green on the neck. It looks like, yeah, it's a combination of all these different Boys Club characters. And then on the web page, there's all sorts of different memes and links. It says Brett, Landwolf, Pepe, and Andy all combined. They have the Telegram, Twitter link, DEX Tools, DEX Screener chart, and contract address, and a Buy Now button on the web page there. Now on the Twitter here, they have 197 followers. They just joined December 2024. 14 posts so far. So it says, Blap is a hybrid of Brett, Landwolf, Andy, and Pepe, fusing their traits into an unpredictable, energetic symbol of creativity, chaos, and collaboration. Dynamic fusion of the 4 Boys Club characters. Each member brings their distinct strengths and traits, combining a form of unpredictable and energetic force. Brett's chaotic nature, Landwolf's creativity, Andy's daring ideas, and Pepe's viral charisma unite them to make Blap a true embodiment of extraordinary collaboration. Are you ready to get blapped? The ultimate fusion, the ultimate friend, the ultimate meme. Total supply 100 billion tokens. It says LP locked, no taxes. I got the how to buy section. They have an embedded DEX screener chart right on their page, so you can see how the token is doing right on their own web page. They have a couple quick audits here. We're going to look at that in a second. But this token pair was actually just created 4 days, 14 hours ago on Uniswap. So it's very new. It's under a week old, this token. Right now they have 24.75 pooled ETH in Uniswap, which is equivalent to 28.7 billion pooled Blap tokens. So they have here a Go Plus security audit. It says no issues. So it says no buy and sell tax. Tax is not modifiable. No mintable tokens. No blacklist. No whitelist, etc. All good check marks there. Same with their quick intel security audit. No suspicious functions. No hidden owner. Ownership is renounced. Transfers not possible. All good stuff. Their token sniffer score, they got 70 out of 100. So just be aware that their token sniffer score is not perfect. The other ones are, but you know, when there's warnings, there's always risks. So definitely review the token sniffer audit. Now, this token right now has a market cap of $445,000. And it has been trending on DEX Screener in the past couple days. It's not trending right now, though. But they do have a 24-hour trading volume today of $133,000. They've had over 5,000 transactions just today. Now, it says here that they have a liquidity pool of $215,000. Now, they don't have a liquidity lock button on DEX Tools or DEX Screener, I just noticed. So just be aware of that as well. Maybe that's why they got a lower token sniffer score. But yeah, when there's, 70 out of 100 on token sniffer and no liquidity lock, there could be some risks. So definitely be aware of that. And it says, Blap's mission is clear. Bring together all communities into one unstoppable meme force. And that is why this is a hybrid of all the Boys Club characters. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.